looking for the length of the arc of this semicircle, and looking at the answer choices, I can't shake the feeling that I should be able to eliminate some of them just using my eyes. Because if those sides of the triangle are 6 and 8, the arcs behind them are not going to be a lot more than 6 and 8. They will be more, but not a lot more. So I'm looking for an answer that's more than 14, the sum of 6 and 8, more than 14, but not 25, not 40, not 60. And that eliminates for me answer choices A, B, and C. So that's a great guessing strategy. If you don't know how to actually solve the question, at least you can get a 50-50 shot just by using your eyes. And what I use there as well is the fact that pi is approximately 3.14. Now let's look at how to actually solve this question. If you've memorized your Pythagorean triples, which you should, you'll know that 6 and 8 in a right triangle will lead to a hypotenuse of 10. In this case, that hypotenuse is the diameter of the circle. So the diameter of the circle is 10, and the total circumference of a circle is the diameter multiplied by pi. So if the total circumference is 10 pi, then the circumference of just half of the circle, in other words, arc ABC, is half of that, so 5 pi, answer choice E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.